Welcome to the studios of WSGE Radio, a non-commercial public radio station located in the Craig's Arts and Sciences Building. WSGE began broadcasting on October the 27th, 1980 on an assigned frequency of 91.7 FM. With an operating power of only 3,000 watts, it served as a training facility for students interested in pursuing a career in radio. In 2006, the broadcast signal increased to 7,500 watts, allowing WSGE to now be heard in 10 counties. With the addition of the state-of-the-art equipment, station staff, volunteers, and students are able to produce professional quality programming. WSGE's format is adult album alternative, also known as rock, rhythm, and blues, with specialty music blocks for beach, blues, and gospel. Many local and national musicians have stopped by the station.
They're playing the blues on WSGE.
Due to the extreme popularity of our beach and shack programming, WSGE has been named FM Station of the Year 6 times by the Carolina Beach Music Awards.
This is Johnny B with the Carolina Beach Party. I want to thank everyone that nominated WSGE for Radio Station of the Year.
From 2011 till 2013, WSGE sponsored a Beach Rhythm and Blues Festival. What an awesome event! With more than 20,000 listeners per week, WSGE is committed to helping the community through its involvement in Socks for Seniors.
Thank you so much for the Socks, WSGE.
Food drives, laptop giveaways, and much more. In October 2020, WSGE celebrated 40 years of broadcasting. Over the years, our commitment to being a training facility for students interested in radio and audio production careers has not changed. Therefore, we were happy to share this momentous occasion with students for the Broadcasting and Production Technologies program.
Shelton, my favorite thing about Gaston College is how much the staff cares about us students and how much they help us with our work and everything, especially during the pandemic.
Please don't forget to listen to 91.7 FM via our terrestrial signal or the online stream at WSGE.org.
Your independent music source, 91.7 WSGE. That was Jade Bird and Open Up the Heavens. Good morning. Brendan here with you until 2 o'clock. Hope your Thursday is off to a good start. And if you're interested in broadcasting from this location here at Dallas campus at Gaston College and interested in pursuing a career in radio or TV production, you can contact the
For WSGE volunteer opportunities, contact Cathis Hall, Station Manager, 704-922-2246 or hall.cathis@gaston.edu. For more information about the Broadcast Production Technology Program, contact Kate Carmody, Program Chair and Instructor, 704-922-2388 or carmody.kate@gaston.edu.